Today we're doing an unboxing video of the Fanvil X7C. Inside the box we will find foam, a curly cord, a LAN cable, a handset, and the phone stand. Let's have a look at the phone. The Fanvil X7C is an enterprise phone with a full colour screen and touch BLFs down the side. If we roll the phone over, we'll have a look at the back now. The back of the phone we'll find a USB port. This USB port is for doing voice recording, software updates, or plugging a Wi-Fi dongle into the phone to run the phone on wireless as opposed to LAN connection. This phone already has inbuilt Bluetooth for Bluetooth headsets. We have a plug so we can use a power pack to run the phone if PoE is not available. We have our standard telephony jacks. We have a headset port. This is for RJ9 corded headsets, and it also has EHS support for DECT headsets. Let's put the phone together. I'll start with the curly cord, and we're going to take the short end of the curly cord and plug it into the bottom of the handpiece, like so. And then we're going to take the longer end of the curly cord and plug it into the back of the phone as indicated by the handset. And then we're going to feed it through this channel here, like so. And then we're going to put the base on the phone. Now the base just slides in here, like so. Right, and that is your Fanvil X7C Enterprise phone.